easy go.
Hello smart people, this video is for a Math 1 student. I'm going to walk you through the calendar projects part 1. Okay, so we're going to read the instruction together. Students will create equations for each day of the month. They can use any operations and exponents if needed. They also must solve each problem in the box, which has the date matching with their solution. Each day should have a problem, solution, and color decoration. You can decorate the whole calendar as one single big drawing, or color or decorate each day. Okay, so again, for the calendar, you can treat them as one single theme. You can draw a big picture for all the dates, or you can do every box individually. It's up to you. Now, here's how your grade will be. Here's how your project will be graded. Problems. If you have 30 problems, you have 30 points. You have solution in there, 30 points for the solution. Inside decoration. If you decorate the box, is 30 points. The outside decoration, which means the edges or the top of the calendar, when you see 2022, October 2022, you have to decorate them as well. Basically, the whole calendar should be covered with color pencil, whatever you want to use to decorate them. Okay, problems on the calendar, you need to have the following problem. 10 problems of one-step equation, 10 problems of multi-step equation, 5 problems of distributive equation, and 5 problems of variable on each side of the equation. And one more for good luck. Make sure you do all 31. I know I didn't put 31 in total, it's only 30. Please do the 31. So 10 bonus point will award it for the best decoration. So when you go over and beyond my expectation, you earn extra credit. I don't give extra credit in random time when you need it. This is the extra credit on the projects. Whenever we work on a project, you exceeds my expectation, you earn extra points. Okay. Again, I don't give extra credit in random time. This is the time for you to earn extra credit right now. Okay, this project is due next Friday, October 21st, 2022. So we're going to work on this project for 2 days, Thursday and Friday, and I will answer your question on Monday. Okay, and maybe give you some time on Wednesday to get it done by Friday. Alright, so you need to pick up 2 handouts. This is the first one when you see the Canada projects in the front, and then this instruction in the back. So that's just one handout. Okay, and make sure everything should be covered in color pencil or whatever you need to use to decorate this. Okay, and you also pick up the second handout is the scratch paper. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to create one-step equation. Alright, go ahead, write your name on a scratch paper just in case if you leave it behind, I know who is it belong to give you credit for it or to give it back to you. Alright, the problem, do you see the one right here is matching with the date 1 through 31st, but since I need space, a good amount of space to show work for you, so you only have 28 days. So hopefully by the time you hit 28, you know how to do this one already. You can work on a separate sheet of paper. It doesn't have to be on this one. Again, this is only a scratch paper. Okay. Alright, we're going to look at the first one. You can pick any date. I will pick the first one. First, you're going to draw a box. Okay. You're going to put the date into the box. Okay, so with me, day 1. You can use any operation, plus, minus, multiply, divide. So pick one. I would choose, let's say, addition. Okay, and then you choose a number, any number. Let's say I choose 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. What we are doing right now is we make up a problem. That the goal is the answer will end up matching with the date. Okay, so after you do this, 1 plus 4 is 5. You're going to replace the box by x. So x plus 4 equal to 5. This is our equation. X plus 4 equal to 5. Then you're going to solve for x. How do you solve for x? You will minus 4 to both sides. So x equal to 1. Perfect. That is our goal. X equal to 1 is matching with the date and matching with the date in the box. Okay. Alright, pause the video for a second. Make sure you understand what's going on. If you get this, now all the projects is easy. Okay. If you don't get it, stay with me on the second example. Okay. Same thing, we're going to look at day 2. We're going to draw a box. And this box is day 2, which means number 2. Now, what do you want to do? Add, multiply, divide, or subtract. So, since I do addition last time, I'm going to do subtraction this time. 2 minus a number is number of my choice. I can choose any number. Let's say 2 minus 6. Alright, what is 2 minus 6? Which is negative 4, right? 2 minus 6 is negative 4. Then you're going to replace your number by x. X minus 6 equal to negative 4. That is our equation. X minus 6 equal to negative 4. How do you solve for x? Okay, you're going to add 6 to both sides. That will be x equal to 2. And yes, that is our answer. We won that. X equal to 2 is matching with the date and the same thing in the box. Okay, maybe 2 more for good luck. Okay, you can do one-step equation. If you want to do only add and subtraction, that's fine too, as long as you have 10 of one-step equation. I'm going to do, since you got accelerated, I'm going to do addition and division as well. Okay, so I'm going to look at date 8. I choose this one. You can choose any date. I choose date 8 because it's within the screen that I have in for you right now. So I choose date 8. Okay, draw a box and then put 8 in there. Now, what do you want to do with 8? Multiply or divide of your choice. I can choose divide. Let's say 8 divided by 2, which give me 8 divided by 2, which is 4. Okay, so first draw a box, put in the number, and then choose what do you want to do with that number, and then work it out. Then we replace the box by x over 2 equal to 4. So that is our equation. X over 2 equal to 4. To solve for x, you're going to do opposite operation. Since x divided by 2, you do opposite this time 2 to both sides. That allowing you to cross out the denominator, x equal to 8. Voila, that's it. Our answer matching with the date, matching with the box. That's it. Now, next one, number 9. So draw a box. You're going to put in number 9. Okay, you can do add, subtract, multiply, divide. Since I already do add, subtract, and divide, I'm going to do multiply this time. I'm going to times, let's say times 2. 2 times 9 equal to 18. So that is my equation. 2x equal to 18. Replace your box by x. That is our equation, 2x equal to 18. So to solve for x, you have to divide 2 to both sides. So x equal to 9. And same thing like what I've been saying, the date matching with, the answer matching with the date. Alright, so hopefully you understand how we set up one-step equation. If you don't understand, period 1, you have Cole, you can ask question. Period 2, I have 3TA right there, Sabino, who else? Jeremiah and Cole, you can ask question. And ask them questions. And period 5, you have only Sabino. So Sabino do extra work on period 5. Okay, so that is that. You have scratch side and you have equation on calendar. So I want to make sure you understand this. All of this is just scratch paper. So your work here on day 1, which I have right now, will go to my calendar. Let's see, how do I do this right? Because I did this video the second time. It didn't work out last time. Okay, I'm going to copy the day 1 answer, and I'm going to put it on my calendar, which you have to copy it over. For me, it's technology, so I can just copy and paste. Okay, Control V, here my work on day 1. That work will go to box number 1, like this. Okay, and my day 2, day 3, and day 4. So I'm gonna do it quickly now, because hopefully, I hope you understand what I tried to do here. Day 2 will go to box number 2, matching with the date on the calendar. Day 4, problem 8, which means date 8 right now. That will go to date 8. Now, some of you may ask me, "Oh, how do I do decoration? Should I do the problem first and then do decoration on top of that, or do decoration first and write the problem on top of it?" I would say it's up to you. I think it will look nicer if you do decoration first and then write the problem on top of your decoration. So it stand out, I can see what's going on, and the theme is behind the writing. If you have gel pen, it's gonna help. Help this stand out. Okay, here we go. We do problem 2, 8, and 9. So that's how it look on the calendar. Okay, now I'm gonna walk you through 2-step equation. Okay, math 1, 10 problem of 1-step equation, and 10 problem of 2-step equation. So here's how you do it. Let's see number 3. I'm going to zoom in a little more so you can see it. Okay. If you think you need more example than this, please check out Search My Calendar project, which I created for last year. It's a little bit different, but it's give you more example. Okay, I mean, you have another type of video to check for to get the example from. All right, so first draw a box. Put in the date, which is problem day 3. Now for 2 operation, you're gonna do 2 things here. You're gonna add or subtract something. Let's say if I add 5, that is 1 operation. You need to add 1 more. Let's say time 2. Okay, so you do 2 things, either addition or subtraction, and then multiply or divide. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 5. That will give you 11. Right? 2 times 3 is 6 plus 5 is 11. So your equation is 2x plus 5 equal to 11. That's it. That is our equation. 2x plus 5 equal to 11. Now we're going to solve for x. We subtract 5 to both sides. So 2x equal to 6. Then we divide by 2. Then x equal to 3. And guess what? Is matching with our date with a 3. Ta-da! Easy. Alright, one more example. Again, this is the first time you see 2-step equation. If you need time, go ahead, pause this one, think about it. What did Mr. H just do? Replace this video. Okay, draw the box. The date is 4, so you're going to 4 in here. Okay, and then you're going to do something about it. Let's say I'm going to time 3 this time, and I will subtract 7 maybe. Okay, so now we're going to work it out. 3 times 4 is 12 minus 7. That will give you 5. 3 times 4 is 12 minus 7. That gives you 5. So the equation is 3x minus 7 equal to 5. 3x minus 7 equal to 5. Now, it's really easy to see if you do things correctly or not, because you know the answer has to matching with the date. If you get the answer is something else, which means the problem is wrong. Okay, add 7 to both sides. To solve for x, you're going to add 7 to both sides. So 3x equal to 12. Then we divide by 3 to both sides. You have x equal to 4 as the answer. And now answer matching with the dates. Okay. Now one more example. Yeah, it's 15 minutes already. I will give you one more example and we call it the date. And to give you some time to work on 10 one-step equation and 10 two-step equation. Alright, you're going to put in the box 10. Okay, this time I'm going to do divide. Now 10 can divide by what number? I would say 2. Okay, and then I'm going to add with some number. Let's say at 3. Alright, then we work it out. 10 divided by 2 is 5 plus 3, that will give you 8. So our equation will be x over 2 plus 3 equal to 8. X over 2 plus 3 equal to 8. We're going to solve for x, so subtract 3 to both sides. X over 2 equal to 5. Since it's dividing, x divided by 2, we do opposite operation, so you're going to time 2 to both sides, x equal to 10. And that matching with the dates. Okay, so on this handout, which is the scratch paper, you're going to copy the work. I'm going to copy this, and that will go to my box number 3, x equal to 3. Okay, for you have to write over on this box. And then what else do I have? I have 4 and I have 10. X equal to 4. Come on, let's go. Fit it. Okay. And then 10. Alright, if you understand it, good, go for it. So you should be able to do 20 problems today. 10 is one-step equation, and the other one is 10 of two-step equation. Okay, we're going to come back together for distribution problem and the variable on both sides on Friday. Alright, have fun everyone. See you on the next video, and thank you for watching.